Let's be honest, it's every builder's worst nightmare. You're just trying to finish this one job and the electrician turns up and wants to get to work. This is where we come in. While the developer is still debating who can work where and when on site, you, the professional, knows what really matters in functional building installations. It's just one click and the job is done.
Done.
Pre-assembled lines and simple plug connectors make for flexible and fast installations. Be it an office building, a hospital, a retail space, on board a ship, in a hotel, or in a school. With its modular system, WINSTA can be used almost anywhere. From plug-in lamp connectors up to interfaces with control systems. And should the plans change, you can simply replug everything. After all, electrical systems are there for you, not you for them. Come and speak to us. We're here for you.